riding too fast.
All right, Reggie's here, and he's got his V8, and behind is Connie's little Volkswagen that I'm going to alter and fix. So take a good look, boys and girls, because it ain't going to look like this when I get done with it. At least most of it won't. So there it is, and we'll see what happens. Might take a few months, but that's okay. All right, for those of you who are big noise fans, here it is.
Reggie's towing service, so if you're ever in the Sacramento area, just give me a call, 505-9907. That's a 916 number.
All right, for Trikes only, that is. You got to have a Trike in order to qualify for Reggie's towing service. All right, there you go, boys and girls.
Whoa! Shoo! Oh, God! I got almost into Auburn. I looked down. Holy shit! I got to slow down. I can't fake the exit here. I started slowing down. He come putting by. I think I was like almost down to 65. Brand new car. No plates on it or nothing.